Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is on Amazon. You will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. Classic yoga mat. These durable, yet lightweight exercise yoga mats are extra thick, 1/4 inch, for the additional cushioning your joints need during any yoga or fitness routine. Sticky, non-slip texture. Yoga mat is featured in classic colors with a textured non-slip surface for excellent traction and superior grip in all types of yoga, even heated practices and hot yoga. Non-toxic and 6P-free PVC yoga mat is a healthier choice for you and the planet and free of DEHP, DBP, BBP, DINP, DIDP and DNOP. For best results, unroll and air out your mat for 2 to 3 days before use. Includes yoga mat carrier sling. Included with your yoga mat is a carrying sling strap so you can strap up your mat and go. Dimensions: 72 inches L by 24 inches W by 1/4 inch thick. 3.5 pounds. The number 3 on the list is choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Open black lens bracket. Choice of 7 colors. Close black lens bracket. Coordinate with any mood, style, or preference. Durable PVC. Resists peeling, fading, or tearing and wipes clean for easy everyday use. Also, yoga mats are made with an embossed, cushioned, and comfortable material, so they can be used safely for a variety of yoga poses. Open black lens bracket. Lightweight. Close black lens bracket. Maximal portability for easy carrying to the gym, studio, park, or beach. Mat size is 68 × 24 inches. Provides comfort and stability at a total weight of only 2.0 pounds for the 1/4 mat and 3.3 pounds for the 1/3 mat. Open black lens bracket. Secure and stable. Close black lens bracket. Embossed surface ensures stability during all types of training. Ideal for core strength, posture, balance, and flexibility exercises. Perfect for hot yoga, ab crunches, or Pilates, as well as yoga floor and standing poses. Open black lens bracket. Accessories. Close black lens bracket. 1/3 mat come with carrying case. 1/4 mat come with carrying band. The number 2 on the list is many positives. Reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. Open black lens bracket. Trusted brand. Close black lens bracket. Primasole is a fitness brand established in April 2019. Our lineup includes a yoga mat, exercise and balance ball, balance disc, and foam roller. We are here to help you incorporate fitness and workout into your daily life. Open black lens bracket. Choice of 7 colors. Close black lens bracket. Coordinate with any mood, style, or preference. Durable PVC, resists peeling, fading, or tearing and wipes clean for easy everyday use. Hand wash only. Open black lens bracket, fold and lightweight close black lens bracket, maximal portability for easy carrying to your travel, gym, studio, park, or beach. Size is 68 x 24 inches, provides comfort and stability at a total weight of only 2.0 pounds for 4 mm. Thickness. Open black lens bracket, secure and stable close black lens bracket. Embossed surface ensures stability during all types of training. Ideal for core strength, posture, balance, and flexibility exercises. Perfect for hot yoga, ab crunches, or Pilates, as well as yoga floor and standing poses. Open black lens bracket, great for travel, park, beach. Close black lens bracket. Yoga mat, folds up nicely. Fit in backpack, suitcase, tote bag, after yoga class or gym. Fit in your bag and go to shopping, luncheon, class at campus. Ideal size for travel, school, park, and beach. The number one on the list is this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. Yoga mat for travel. This 2 mm thick non-toxic PVC yoga mat easily folds into a 10 inches by 12 inches square, making it the ideal travel yoga mat. Fits in carry-on bag. This foldable yoga mat easily fits in your carry-on or overnight bag, also a great alternative to a traditional rolled mat to save space. Folding yoga mat. Mat folds up nicely, making it perfect for weekend getaways, extended retreats, or trips across town, in the park or on the beach. Sticky texture. Features a sticky texture that provides stable footing on the go. Dimensions: 68 L by 24 inches, W by 2 mm thick. Weight equals 1 pound.